Okay, so my name is Mohamed El Zomor, and I run the storage business in Dell Technologies for the region called CEEMETA. CEEMETA is Central East Europe, Middle East, Turkey, and Africa. You know, as we said in the keynote, the forum is, I would say, the best event that we have every year. Why? Because we have our customers and partners in the same place. We have this opportunity to gather, to exchange ideas, to talk about innovation specifically, to understand our customer challenges, and to provide them with different solutions that can help them to identify and solve the challenges they are facing. You can see the crowd. I think this day has been very busy. We have also our expo area where we can showcase to the customer the latest technologies about all the trends that we're looking at right now, about AI, about multi-cloud, about edge, about security, and about future work. So in CEEMETA, the region that I'm covering, we have been for years and years, and we'll continue to be the number one when it comes to the market in storage. And this is not us saying this, is IDC, which is responsible for sharing and exposing the overall storage market share for different companies. And specifically for Turkey, the market in Turkey is growing massively. We can see that in the last 3 years in storage specifically, Turkey storage market has been growing quarter over quarter, year over year. Our position has been always to provide our customers with what I call the power of a choice, because we don't only focus on what we call primary storage, which is, for example, the Power Max, the Power Store, and the Power Vault, from entry to mid-range to high end. We also provide hyper-converged. We also provide software-defined solutions. We also provide file. So we provide various solutions to our customer, and of course we provide data protection. And across the different technologies of storage, when it comes to the primary storage or the traditional three-tier architecture storage, to the hyper-converged, to the data protection, to the big data and the file systems, we are maintaining our number one position in the region. We definitely cannot talk about the future without ignoring talking about AI. Because AI now is the number one technology that everyone is talking about it. I'm not only talking about the normal AI, the artificial intelligence, we're talking about Gen AI, which is basically to see artificial intelligence creating content. A content which look like it's coming from a human, and that's why it's a Gen AI. It's not because AI has been there for a while. We have machine learning for a while, we have artificial intelligence for a while, but now we are transforming this into the Gen AI. So we definitely see this as another disruptive technology, very similar to the internet, very similar to very similar to smartphones, similar to different technologies that reshape the whole technology. So this is one of the major focus. And when you talk Gen AI, automatically you will know that means data. A lot of data in and much more data out. And that means that we will expect more and more data driven. And we're talking about, and this is statistics, we're talking about the majority of the economy in the next 3 to 4 years are going to be a digital economy, going to be economy generated from the digital world. So having more data is happening as we speak, more and more, explosional, more than ever, and that require the right infrastructure, that require the right setup, the right processes, the right skills that can deal with such a big challenge, which is managing all of this data. So we are, as I said earlier, we are focusing on Gen AI, we are focusing on multi-cloud, we are focusing on edge. Edge is very important because there is massive amount of data are generated on the edge. We are focusing on future of work, and we are wrapping that by focusing on security. These are the 5 trends, 5 pillars that Dell Technologies is focusing on in the last year and in the coming 2 to 3 years, and we are spending the majority of our $7 billion R&Ds on these 5 pillars, because we need to be very, very close to our customers, because we had this wave of digital transformation, the hype of digital transformation. All of our customers is talking about digital transformation. Now everyone is talking about these 5 pillars, specifically generative AI. Okay, so first of all, I would definitely like to thank our customers and partners that made the time and they came over today. It was a pleasure. The day is still, we're still midday, so I'm expecting to see more and more customers and partners through the day. I really want to thank them for attending. It was really a pleasure meeting the people that I've been able to meet and the people that I'm going to meet in the coming 3 or 4 hours. Really thank them for coming over. We as Dell Technologies, in simple way, we are a powerhouse, and we want to bring this powerhouse at the fingertip of our customers, to be as close to them as possible, to be their partners through the challenge and through the journey of the digital transformation.